If you're betting over 1,5 without analyzing it, you are leaving money on the table. This video will show you how to analyze over 1,5 so you can bet with confidence and reduce losses in 2026. So guys, we'll obviously be focusing on the Premier League, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Arsenal vs Sunderland. So right now we won't be starting with the last 5 matches, but we are going to be checking the table. So right now we can see that Arsenal is number 1 at the table and Sunderland is number 8. So right now this tells us this: Arsenal is performing very well, because you can see in the points 56 and you check the second team's points 47. So Arsenal is performing very well. So here you can see that Sunderland is also trying its best to stay in the top 10, and they might have a possibility of drawing or losing, because I don't think they could win with the team of which is performing that well in that season. So yeah guys, besides that, right now we'll be checking the last 5 matches. So yeah guys, on 16/04/24 we can see that our market didn't work, guys. Our market did not work in that match. So the market of which we'll obviously be focusing on in this video is the over 1,5. So here we can see that the over 1,5 did not work, right? The over 1,5 did not work, but it's okay. Let's see the next match, 16/10/29. We can see that our market worked, guys. Our market worked. Arsenal even won this match. Arsenal even won. Our market worked. So here you can see that the over 1,5 worked. Arsenal scored 4 goals by itself. Arsenal scored 4 goals, and the other team obviously scored 1. So yeah, our market worked that match. Our market worked. Jumping on the next game, on 17/05/16, we can see that our market worked again, guys. Our market worked. Can you see that? Just check. Arsenal is very good. It's dominating. It's been dominating, not only on this season but on the previous seasons, right? Because these games are for the previous seasons, not the current season right now, or which you are in. But says that our market worked here. The things of which you have to check, right? You don't, when you analyze, right, you don't only check the last 5 games from the teams of which are playing against each other. No, we also check the last 5 matches of the teams of which are playing. For an example, the last 5 matches from Arsenal, the last 5 matches for Sunderland, and see how they are performing. And if you really want to go in, you could check the injuries, the best 11, whether the best players are going to be in the game or not, so you could know whether is it good for me to risk the money I have. Should be a pro sports bettors. But besides that, let's get back into the video. Checking the next match on 21/12/21, we can all see that our market worked again, guys. Our market worked again. And you see that, you could also try the double chance, the Arsenal win or draw, because it could also work. The first match of which we're analyzing, we saw that Arsenal drew, right? Arsenal drew. So you could also try that. But right now we're mostly focusing on the 1,5. Over 1,5. I'll really give you that video of the double chance in the future. But here you can see that the over 1,5 is working very well. Right, it's working. So yeah guys, right now we're checking the last match, right? The last match on 25/11/08. We can all see that our market worked again, guys. Our market worked, guys. Can you see that this market is working very well? You could even try the over 2,5, but the problem is that it overworked 3 times in the last 5 matches. But for a safer bet, just go for the over 1.5 because it's really working in a very good way. You can see there in a very wonderful way. So yeah, guys, as you're analyzing, we can see that our market worked 4 times in a row in the last 5 matches. Our market worked 4 times. So guys, right now, right, we are going to be checking the results as I analyze, right? There's the next match of which they really played recently. I think it was last week Saturday. So I want to see, or we want to see, whether what I was talking about is really right or is really going to work on the match of which they'll be playing, right? So right now we're checking the results, guys. So as you see right now, as you're looking at the screen, you can see that the market worked over 1.5 worked. Arsenal scored 3 goals, and obviously Gyökeres scored 2 goals. So yeah, the over 1.5 really works, guys. If you really analyze the way I teach you to analyze, you could win your bets, you could win them. So yeah, here you can see that we all won. It won as you're checking the results. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.